Well, looky here, Miss Thing, Miss Thing, Miss Thing. You can have a couple dollars, but can't have everything. Everything, everything that we have is ours. From the hugs and the kisses to the scabs and scars. We walk around town like we're glad they're ours. People pointing at our hickeys like they're cancer marks. Dudes pointing at my girl like, damn, she's raw. Yeah, she is, but when she's mad, she'll blast your jaw. I heard you two screaming till the crack of dawn. She was mad at the fact all the jack was gone, and I was passed out with the bong on the back on the lawn. When she came over with her dad and her mom, I took the cab to the bar, cause it was closer than Mars. And I was hoping to charge my whole tab on her card. And if you have a remark, you can fill in the blank, and then get the fucking pumping while you fill up my tank. I'm sorry, my dear, I didn't wanna leave you the way I did, but maybe we can see through the scars that we have. Hold out your hand, there's a blanket in the sand. If you just grab it, I'm sorry, my dear. You didn't have to leave me the way you did, but maybe you can't see these scars on my back. Don't hold my hand, there's a blanket in the sand that you can't have. It's funny how emotions come and go. One day she's a queen, the next a slut and hoe. Got me wondering, should I just let her